Aloha everyone, I'm Candace from Divine Breath Yoga, and I'm on a mission to teach everyone to seek out the light of life, and to let that light shine into your heart, and to let that light shine through your heart, for others to see that goodness, that light. And so I invite you in this sunset series to journey with me. I'm going to spend 9 days, I hope, trying to spend time just soaking in the light. And so I'm sitting in my Hawaiian backyard at sunset, giving thanks that you are gathering with me wherever you are, with whatever light you choose, whether it's sunrise, sunset, a candle, maybe you still have a Christmas tree up, whatever light brings you joy. I invite you to sit for a moment, to be still. Find a comfortable position, whether it's laying down, sitting down, seated on the floor, in a chair, in a recliner, wherever you feel comfortable. Come to rest. Now I'm currently waiting to be diagnosed and treated with a rare form of cancer called pseudomyxoma peritonei. And it's tough to get comfortable. But I got here because I was the yoga teacher who kept saying, I cannot breathe. And so I want to teach others to breathe, to listen to their bodies. And the best way to do that is to be still and listen. And so I invite you to keep looking at that light, or maybe you close your eyes. Take a deep breath, blowing out, letting go. Making space to be still. And breathe in gratitude. Giving thanks for this breath in our lungs. We are still alive. So slow down your breath the best you're able. Feeling the movement of that air coming in and out of your body. And with that breath becomes a prayer of thanksgiving. Receiving that gift of light, that light of life. And giving thanks in all circumstances. Scripture says, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His love is never ending. Let that light bring you unconditional love. Breathe in that love. Let that love light grow in your heart. When we first let love come into us, we love God, we love ourselves, we are then able to love one another, to share the light, to see the light that each person carries a beautiful gift inside of them, that light of life. So breathe in, give thanks for that light-filled love. This is our practice, to notice light-filled moments, to sit and savor some time to be still, and to know that the great I am, be still and know that I am God, is with you, is shining light on you and in you, and working that light to shine through you. In all circumstances. I pray for healing, for the best possible care for me, but I pray for healing for you. Whatever your needs. is with us. Be still and know that the great I am God, is shining mountaintop moments into your day. Notice them. Give a breath of thanks for each of those light-filled mountaintop moments that you encounter. Maybe you even start a journal that you write down some of the things that bring light and joy into your life. The sun is setting behind me to our beautiful Waianae Mountains here in Waipahu, Hawaii. I pray that you find a beautiful light-filled moment as well. We like to come from a gentle practice by just noticing. Notice any place in your body that needs you to stretch, move, wiggle, and spring life back into it. Small movements, big movements, whatever your body needs to go forth and to let your light shine. It's a beautiful world, and we're gifted with life to live in it. One breath at a time, noticing with gentle kindness. Savor these light-filled moments, my friends. Give thanks. Taking a moment to grasp that beautiful light and pull it to your heart. Wrap it around your heart. Hold together any pieces that might feel broken or struggling. Let that light renew you, strengthen you. That strength in our heart, that foundation of love, let us go forth. To begin the practice of noticing mountaintop moments throughout our day, taking time to breathe and be still with God throughout our day. St. Benedict says, when things go right, we celebrate and begin again. When things go wrong, we pause and begin again. Always, we begin again. So my friends, bring your hand to your heart, giving thanks, feeling that breath, feeling that heartbeat. Give a nice big breath out, let go. Big breath in fills you back up with loving light and strength. And then as you have open eyes to see the light, you are called forth with that light and love in your heart to notice the light and love that other people bring into this world. We are stronger together. Be well, my friends, and peace be with you.